Unlock your future with our Python Full Stack Development course. Limited seats available. Learn from industry experts with real-world experience and build a strong portfolio with hands-on internship projects. Master in-demand skills like Python programming, from basics to advanced backend frameworks, Django and Flask front-end development, HTML5, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript GUI development, Tkinter version control, Git. Get 50 hours of project-driven training designed to make you job ready. Why wait? Enroll now. Seats are filling fast. Call +91 8301010866 to secure your spot today.